In this example, we want to solve the following exponential equation by expressing each side as a power of the same base and then equating exponents. Equating is the same thing as equaling those exponents. Here we have the equation 8 to the power of 4x minus 2, which is equal to 64. Now, an exponential equation is an equation containing a variable in an exponent. Some exponential equations can be solved by expressing each side of the equation as a power of the same base. All exponential functions are one-to-one. That is, no two different order pairs have the same second component. Thus, if b is a positive number other than 1, and b to the power of m is equal to b to the power of n, we can say that their exponents bm is equal to n. So we're going to use this to solve the following expression. So I'm going to go ahead and write this out. Okay, well, I'm sorry, the equation. So we have 8 to the 4x minus 2, which is equal to 64. Okay, what we want to be able to do is, on the left side, we're going to leave it as it is. And we want to ask ourselves, can we rewrite 64 so that it has the same base as it has on the left side of the equation, meaning that does it have the same base as an 8? And the answer is yes, because 64 is the same thing as 8 to the second power. Now, if you notice, since b is equal to b, we can say that m is equal to n. So the same thing up here. What we're going to do is we're going to now say that 4x minus 2 is going to equal 2 on that exponent. And now we're going to solve for x. So we're going to add 2 to both sides. And so now 4x on the left side is going to equal 2 plus 2, which is 4. And then we're going to divide both sides by 4, and therefore x is going to equal 4 divided by 4, which is 1. Now we're not done yet, because we need to make sure we can substitute this 1 back into the equation, or the original equation, to make sure that it works. Otherwise, it would not be a solution at all. So we're going to check when x is equal to 1. So we have 8 to the 4x minus 2. We want to see if that's going to equal 64. Well, plugging in 1 in for x, we get 4 times 1 minus 2, which is equal to 64. Well, 4 times 1 is 4 minus 2 is going to give us 2. And so 8 to the second power, is that equal to 64? Well, 8 squared is equal to 64, which means that it does work. And therefore, we would say that the solution set is the value 1. And there is our answer.